The California Delta is a fickle mistress for fishing. Please come along with me for 2 days of fishing, the lows and the highs. I think you'll enjoy this. Our fishtail begins at the fabled Frank's Track on the Central Delta. All right, we're at Sugar Barge. Yay, first time out here. It looks pretty nice and quiet right now. There's a little bit of ripple on the water. I'll fish the inside along the docks and the inside breakwater. And let's see how it goes. Looking forward to it, experimenting, throwing a bunch of different lures and seeing if anything works. So come along. I also want to give a shout out to Rob Fish, who gave me some great recommendations. I just couldn't employ him properly. All right, starting off with this fluke top water, and whoa, we had an issue on the boat dock over there. This is the Dart Creeper. I'm going to try this. It's the first finesse bait of the day. I've barely thrown the reaction bait, but I don't see anything moving or following. It's kind of dark and stained water. Well, he casts good. Spanky on now. I'm going to juice it up with some crawfish scent, and we'll see what happens along the toolies here. Oh, there is one. Got a fish. Yep. First fish of the day, and we're gonna boat flip it. A little guy, but it's a fish, and there's the spanky rig. All right, buddy, thanks for playing. See you. All right, it's about the 2-hour update, and boy, one fish to show for it, and it was on a finesse rig. It was the black spanky worm, and that was it. One bite, maybe another bite. So it's super slow. And right now I'm throwing the thunder cricket just because I'm drifting with the tide and moving along through the toolies. But yeah, it's kind of surprising. But you know, it's the Delta, so you get what was Forrest Gump's thing? Life's like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're gonna get. And what I'm getting is nothing right now on this, so I'll be switching soon and probably go back to that dark sleeper or whatever the hell it's called. All right, man, it is tough today. One fish, maybe 2 bites, 3.5 hours in. Woo, baby. Okay, well, we'll see how it goes. It's a challenge figuring out this place and what's working. Hey. Hey. Hey, how'd you do?
I got a couple.
Yeah, I got one small one. That was it, man. It was tough today. Do you see any sign of stripers at all? Yeah, maybe. All right, the day is done. One fish. You saw it. Now I remember why I don't like fishing Frank's Track. You really got to know what you're doing, where you're going to go, and get it all dialed in pretty well. And obviously, I don't have it dialed in. A nice day. The breeze picked up, and I'd highly recommend that you hire a guide the first time you come out and fish this place. And I'm going to take my own advice if I plan on fishing here again. So, Keith, free spooling, thanks for coming along. Sorry there weren't more fish to show you. Hey, Free Spooling Keith here. You guessed it, headed out to the Delta to my usual stomping ground, so maybe I can catch some fish this time, unlike the last trip. So come along, looking forward to it. And as always, it's post-frontal conditions, so who knows what we're gonna get. But we are gonna have a fun time one way or another. Thanks for watching. Couple of dinks to start the morning off, and I didn't even bother recording those. I'm putting on a Ned rig, just because nothing else is getting bit, and so I'm just trying a whole bunch of things. We'll see if this works. Come on. Maybe not. Oh, the same size bone. This guy's got sharp teeth. And this guy. So, there we go. There's another one. There we go. GoPro. Stay on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, turn around. Come on. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. Good doggy. Good doggy. Good doggy, Bessie. Bessie doggy. All right. Let's see what this guy is. Not as big as the last one, I can tell. But he ain't bad. He's got sharp teeth. Or she. I keep saying he. That's Free Spooling Keith here with the sun at my back, but it's coming around. Well, today started off as a horribly slow day. It was overcast, there were sprinkles periodically, and I thought, oh my goodness, this is going to be a repeat of Frank's track. And then the tide filled in and it started to turn around, and oh boy did the fishing turn around. So you got a chance to watch it in the catching. There are a couple of fish that maybe I wasn't able to record, but I'm pretty sure I had a 21.5, an 18.25, maybe another 19 or 19.5. So it was quite a good day, and I'm headed back now. And I really want to thank you guys for coming along. I appreciate your support and you're watching it, and hopefully it inspires you a little to get out and do some fishing, because you know you need to put your time on the water to catch the fish. And I'm a guy that can tell you that, because I've been putting a lot of time recently, and all of a sudden I'm starting to catch in areas that I know. I still need to learn how to assess, or maybe not even go to places and by looking at it and thinking, okay, no, this is not my MO. My MO is a finesse bait fisherman these days. And so I did throw the frog today, as I said earlier, and I got a couple of blow-ups, but nothing huge and nothing stuck. So again, Free Spooling Keith here. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, subscribe, and you know, all the good stuff. If you want to see some more catching along this lines, check out the video right here. And it isn't quite as good a day, but it's still some good fishing. So thanks for coming along. Tight lines and good times.